Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Daily Update. We are seeing the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Now is the time to join, now is the time to get in because we are going to have altcoins spamming up. You will get an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, live training, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see Luna against USDT and Luna against Bitcoin chart. What we have right here is that we stopped a little bit at the 78.3 around there Tether USD. I'm going to tell you exactly why. First of all, let's see the risk metrics. On the daily RSI, we have a very high risk. That isn't though the problem, because we have seen when we go into an impulsive wave mode, we might be doing something like this, right? So therefore, the fact that we have a very high risk doesn't mean that we are dropping all the way down for Luna. But the commodity channel index as well is on a very high risk right here. Stochastic RSI into an overbought situation above the 80 as well, as you can see. And of course, the Fisher transform above the 1.5 right there. Okay, so we have a very huge and high risk for Luna against USDT. And of course, we have a very high risk on the daily and on the 4-hour frame. If we go there, we also have a very high risk due to the fact that we had the RSI above the 70. Okay, the stochastic RSI though is dropping down into an oversold, which is good because we haven't yet dropped down, right? But this is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. I believe that we might be seeing more correction during the day, maybe. We will see about that, but let's first go to Luna against Bitcoin chart. Luna against Bitcoin chart right here, that we had a triple top right there, you can see forming a triple top, and now we just corrected a little bit. What can happen next is that Luna can possibly get even higher and chase an all-time high for Luna against Bitcoin. But at the end of the day right now, we have a very high risk. All actually of the risk metrics are in an extreme overbought, and we expect the sellers to step in pretty soon enough. Okay, but if we can hold the 0.20s, let's see this support level right here, especially this support level, we will be able to go even higher. But let's see more support levels, drawing the Fibonacci from the bottom right here back to the top. You can see that the most important support level right now is the 0.20s 18,377 and the 0.2017,255. We can go in there, but at this time and at this time frame, I think that we are going to correct towards these levels right there and then possibly have a buying pressure. We are going to see that depending on how the price will react towards this overbought situation, and that is what we call a price analysis. Let's go back to Luna against USDT. So right here, why did we correct on this price level? I will explain why. If we take the last swing high before we fall down and draw the fib from the top to the bottom, you will see that we had the 0.786 as a major resistance level. Most of the times, the 0.786 Fibonacci level is one of the most important levels in crypto market. Okay, 78 is a very huge resistance level indeed. It was the huge resistance level back on 5 December as well. You can see that right now we might be getting further down. 78.41. 87.88 should be the next target, as before right here back on 15 January. And from there, if we can manage to close above, we might be getting even to the 98 near the all-time high again. But first, what we have to do is to close above the 78.41. If we find rejection here, we might be getting back up to the 70.96 or maybe a little bit further down until the 68. We are going to see about that though. We are going to see about the next support levels, but this is what we can do. We have to close first above the 78.41 and then you can manage to buy. Of course, none of these are financial advices, that's my personal humble opinion, but you could buy and get into the next targets right here. Luna on the weekly scale could even go on to the above 98, but first we have to just surpass some important resistance levels. And not want to get you hyped up, but we have first to just surpass, of course, the 80 and then the 90.97. Then we can manage maybe to go even higher to the 118 and so on. First, we have to do that, and let's take it step by step. As I told you, the resistance level that we should be holding and looking at is the one following right here. If you draw the fib from this bottom back, from this top, sorry, to the bottom, you can see that we have the 78.40 around there, Tether USD, which if we do not close above, we won't be able to go above for this short term, that is. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.